Hi Daly City Rec at Home, my name is Cherry and today we're going to be making a rainbow spinner. For your supplies today, you're going to need a pair of scissors, some tape, some cardstock, a 12-inch skewer, a pen, glue, a water bottle cap, and strips of paper. For your first step, you're going to take the water bottle cap, trace it onto the cardstock to make 4 circles, cut it out, and then poke it with the skewer. After you do that, you're going to grab a circle, put glue on it, then grab some strips and put it on the edge of the circle, and then you're going to put more glue and cover it with another circle. Now you're going to grab another circle, put glue on it, and then glue the other end of the strip, and then put the last circle on top of that. Your last step is to poke the skewer through the holes and then tape the sharp end of the skewer. And that's how you make your rainbow spinner. Thanks for watching.